Hello viewers. So in order for you to start trading Forex, you need what is called a trading account, a Forex trading account. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can open what is called a Forex trading account using the broker XM. So I'll be taking you into it now. I'm going to be using Opera Mini for this. Alright, so this is XM. You can see the URL is just www.xm.com. So you can just type that into your search engine and it's going to bring out the site. So this is XM's site. This is XM. XM is a regularized broker and they are licensed. They are one of the top brokers in the world, by the way. They have one of the best facilities and best opportunities. So as you can see, I have bonus up to $5,000. So meaning if you open a real account with them and you deposit some money with them, they're going to give you bonuses. So and I don't know how it is this year, because but as at 2021, when I opened an account with them, it was I think it was 50% bonus on every of your. It was 50% bonus on every of your deposits. So if you deposit $100, they are going to give you $50. You deposit $1,000, they give you $500. So just to give you some more leverage in the market. So, and you can see their leverage is the highest leverage they offer is 1,000:1. So, and they have 1,000 plus trading instruments, as you can see. And look at what they said here. They said 24/7 trading crypto. So their crypto services is open for you to trade 24 hours in 7 days. So meaning that their crypto market does not close. But you know the Forex market closes every weekend. So but their crypto market doesn't close. So you can see here they offer Forex trading, crypto, indices, they offer commodities, metals, very nice. I love metals, especially gold. I love gold. And they give stocks and energies as well. All right, so this is what their site looks like. So let me just take you to. So for this video, we're going to be opening a demo account and not a real account. Because like I said in my previous videos, it is best to start with a demo account if you're just starting out in Forex. It is best that way so that you don't lose money too much. So when you practice with a demo account, then you are going to be able to have some better trading opportunities in the real account, because by then you'll be better. You would be good to be able to trade on the real account. So it's very important that you backtest what you are doing, backtest your strategy, backtest everything, your trading plan. Make sure that everything is good and you have confidence in it. That's the most important. They are confident that your strategy is going to work before moving to the real account. So when you move to the real account, all you need to do is just do exactly how you've learned in the demo account, and you should get the exact same results. So let's get right into opening a demo account. So click on open a demo account. So it's loading. So you're going to see this form open up for you. So what you do is you fill in your name. So I'm going to be filling in my name. So as you can see, you fill in your name, your country of residence, your city or town, phone number, your email address. You choose your preferred language. Mine is English. Now, when you get to this part where you see trading account details, in trading platform type, you have to choose MT4. Choose MT4. because you're a beginning trader. Account type, leave it at standard, one lot equal to 100,000. So leave it at that. Account based currency. So here you choose the currency you want to trade with. If you are trading with like the amount you want to deposit your money into. So this determines how your balance will be showing. So, but for me, I like to use USD. But if you want Euro or any other currency, you can choose any other currency you like. But I prefer USD. So, and for the leverage, you can see the highest leverage they give is 1:1000. So, but I don't usually go for that. So I'm going to be going for, usually what I use is 1:200, but for this account I'll open a 1:500 so that on this account I will be able to trade I'm going to be able to trade a lot size of 1. So, but you can experiment with the leverages and see what's, because the lower the leverage you use, the lower the kind of lot size you can use. For instance, on 1:200, if you try to place a trade with this account, and you are trying to place a trade with a 1 lot size, for instance, the trade is not going to go. It will tell you not enough money. So, but if you increase the leverage to like 1:500 and you place the trade with that 1 lot size, it is going to go. So I'm going to use 1:500. And investment amounts, demo account, you can just decide whatever amount you want to use to put into your demo account. So you can see it offers 1,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, 25, even up to 5 million. So, but I'll be leaving it at 1,000. Then you create your unique account password. So you create your password. Make sure you follow these criteria that they said: 10 to 15 characters, at least 1 uppercase letter, at least 1 lowercase letter, at least 1 number. So follow those criteria. Then you put in your password again for reconfirmation. Then click on I agree to receive your newsletters. Then click on open a demo account. It says please wait. So it's loading. Yeah, so demo account confirmation. So they said last step, confirm your email address. So in order to do this, you are going to open your email and then you confirm your email address. So once you confirm your email address, it will send you your login details. So I'm going to get into that. Alright, so let me get into my email. So as you can see, XM has sent me my confirmation email. So I'll just be so you click confirm email address. I'm going to use up at me. So, and you see that says congratulations on opening an XM demo account. So, and you can see you are successfully opened demo account. I'll go to next. Go to the next. So you see your, just let me mute notifications. So you see your MT4 ID is 781641122. Please use it with the password created during registration to log in to the server XM Global Demo 4 to start trading with your demo account using your preferred platform. So this is the login details you are going to use to log into your MT4 platform. So let me show you. This is the MT4 here. So just add. Now you go to log in to an existing account. You click login to an existing account. So then, what's the name of the broker we're due to use? XM Global Demo 4. So I already have it here, but in case you don't have it here, what you do is you find broker and you type XM Global. So it's going to bring out all the, you see some list of servers here. So just click the one you're told to use. In this case, we're told to use XM Global Demo 4. So you click XM Global Demo 4. So the place where you see login, this number that is 781-64122. 781-64122. That's where you put it in. Then you put in your login password. So you sign in, and once you do that, your account has been opened, as you can see. So you come in here, this is your MT4 platform. So that is basically how to log into your MT4 platform and start your trading journey. So in the next video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can go around on your MT4 platform so that you can start your trading instantly. So watch out for that next video. If this video has been helpful to you, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your notifications so that whenever I release a new video, you'll be one of the first set of people that will be notified that I have released a video. So thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.